SOA XMP practice question number 63. A warehouse has 120 laptops in its inventory, 80 coming from manufacturer A and the rest from manufacturer B. Of the laptops in inventory from manufacturer A, 10% are defective. Of the laptops in inventory from manufacturer B, 30% are defective. Calculate the probability that exactly 4 out of a sample of 10 laptops selected without replacement from the warehouse inventory are defective. Let's take a look at the solution. Here we construct a contingency table. There are a total of 120 laptops, 80 from manufacturer A, and therefore 40 from manufacturer B. And then the laptops from manufacturer A, 10% are defective, 10% out of 80. There are 8 laptops from manufacturer A which are defective. And the laptops from manufacturer B, 30% are defective. That is, 12 laptops from manufacturer B are defective. The total number of defective laptops is 20. And the total number of non-defective laptops is 100. Out of the 120 laptops, 20 are defective, 100 are non-defective, and we want to get the probability that exactly 4 out of a sample of 10 laptops are defective. So we have 120 laptops, select 10. The total number of ways is 120 C10. And 4 are defective. 4 out of 20 defective laptops, the total number of ways in selecting these 4 is 20 C4. And then 6 out of 100 non-defective laptops, the number of ways of selecting these 6 non-defective laptops out of 100 is 100 C6. Computing the probability, we get this expression: 20 C4 times 100 C6 over 120 C10. Upon calculation, we get the answer. The probability is 0.0498.